This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Shaoxing Wine Chicken. Or you may use any type of Chinese cooking wine that you have on hand. For this dish, we will need 1 chicken. This is about 1 kilogram, and I've chopped it up into pieces. Ginger that's shredded. Wolfberries. Spring onions that's been separated into its white and green parts. Black fungus and some water. And of course, we'll need some oil for stir frying. First, let's soak the wolfberries and the black fungus in some water. Set them aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. To stir fry, put your pan over a medium to high heat. When the pan is hot, add in the oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the ginger. Stir fry the ginger for about 30 seconds till it's fragrant. Next, add in the chicken. Fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes till the outside is white and it's slightly brown. Something like this. Add in some water. Then the white parts of the spring onions. Next, add in the seasoning. That's the Shaoxing wine, the oyster sauce, light soy sauce, salt, sugar, and also the black fungus. Give all this a good mix and bring everything to a boil. Then lower the heat to a simmer. Cover. Simmer this dish till the sauce has thickened. This will take about 10 minutes or so. When the sauce has been reduced and thickened, add in the wolfberries and the green parts of the spring onion. Splash some Shaoxing wine around the sides of the pan. Follow this by some sesame oil. Give this a good mix and turn off the heat. Taste and adjust for seasoning. When it tastes the way you like it to be, we are done. To serve, decorate the dish with some more wolfberries and spring onions. This is stir-fried Shaoxing Wine Chicken.